Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop another banger video. So guys, today I'm going to show you a simple way, the easiest way of applying eyeshadow for beginners. You after watching this video, trust me, you will apply eyeshadow like a pro. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and please comment down below. Guys, something really bad happened to the audio, so I had to do a voiceover. So guys, I've just finished with the first eye. As you can see, it looks amazing. Ooh. Just look at it. Wow, it looks amazing. So I'm going to show you another look, and this look you can go with it at school or at work daily, because it's classic and simple. Unlike the first one, that one you can only attend events with. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please do so. Please, guys. So guys, in this other eye, I used Huda eyeshadows. Yeah. And this other eye, I'm going to use a brown Huda Beauty. Yeah, this small palette. I'm going in with an eyeliner from Davis Cosmetic. Yeah. So guys, I'm done, and I know you probably have noticed something. Yeah, I'm just wearing the same colors but different styles. So guys, this one you can wear it when you are going to an event, yeah, and this one you can wear it when you are going at work or school. Yeah, and if you don't know how to apply an eyeliner, worry no more, I got your back. Yeah, few days ago I dropped a video, and in that video I'm teaching people how to apply eyeliner, and there are 9 different styles. Yeah, 9 different styles. So this one is called feline, and this one is a bold. So if you want to know different styles of applying eyeliner, just go to my YouTube page. You'll find that video and watch it, and if you like it, don't forget to like it. Yeah, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. Just look how I've tried, guys. And don't forget to comment down which look you like. Yeah, bye, see you in the next video.